Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to capture visitor attention, promote special offers, or grow your email list right on your website. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to elfsite.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. But if you're already registered, just enter your details and sign in. After logging in, you'll see your Elf site dashboard. On the left side menu, look for the option that says Add New App and click on it. This will open up a search field where you can browse through all the available widgets. In that search field, type Popup and hit Enter. You'll see the Popup widget appear in the results, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you'll be presented with a variety of pop-up templates designed for different purposes. Take a moment to browse through these options and choose a template that best suits your website's style and goals. Once you've found the perfect one, click on Continue with this template. This will take you to the customization screen where you can tailor the pop-up to match your brand. Here's where you can get creative. Feel free to explore all the editing options available. You can change colors, adjust text, modify images, and configure trigger settings to control when and how your pop-up appears. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click Publish at the top of the screen. After publishing, you'll see a confirmation message, so go ahead and click the Close button to exit that window. Back on your Elf site dashboard, you'll see your newly created pop-up listed. Click on the three dots beside your pop-up to reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Embed Code. This will generate the code snippet you need to integrate the pop-up into your Squarespace site. Click on the Copy button to copy this code to your clipboard. Now it's time to head back to Squarespace. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to the Settings area and look for the option labeled Custom Code. Click on it and then select Code Injection. This is where you'll paste the external code that connects your Elf site pop-up to your website. In the Code Injection section, you'll see two fields, header and footer. For this pop-up to work properly, you need to paste the embedded code you copied from Elf site into the header field. Simply click inside that field and paste the code. Once you've pasted it, click Save at the bottom of the page. Your changes will be saved and the pop-up will now be active on your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your Squarespace website, giving you a powerful tool to engage visitors and drive conversions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.